Already got something. We've only just literally set up. I'm not even in. I'm not even in. What a difference to last week, eh? Didn't catch bugger all rod. And now he's just first cast. Been in there not even 5 minutes. Alright size rod, is it?
Not that big, but that'll do.
It's a start.
It's a very good start.
I don't know. Bit of a fight though. Here we go. Yes. Five minutes, not even 5 minutes, Rod.
I never even had a chance for my head cam on it.
No. We're still.
It's going to be like this all day. We'll be happy.
Yeah.
Books out.
Literally. Not. I'm not even in.
There she goes. 4 or 5 pound. Good start. Good start.
Hey, here we go.
Yeah, we are back here again at Northview Lakes, but today we're on one that I've only ever fished once before, which is actually probably the oldest lake. Well, it's the second oldest lake here, and this is the Match Lake. It's very nice. It really is very nice indeed. I mean, it's a beautiful setup. It is. I actually prefer the actual setup here to the other lake. I really like it. As you can see, look, you've got nice big reeds and that all round, so the margins should be quite good to fish. It's just really pleasant here. I must be honest. It's really nice, and I like this here. It's I don't know, we'll just see what happens in the course of the day, but no, I think we'll get some action, I'm sure of it.
Oh, we've had action.
Look, we've already had action, I've already had one.
Yeah.
So, and we've only been here now about 25-30 minutes.
Yeah. Rod's already got one.
I've already got one. So, and that's including the actual setup. So, I mean, basically I just set up, chucked it out, and then started getting everything ready, and bang, off she went straight away. So hopefully if that's to go by, you know, it stands a good chance. So quite looking forward to this today, really am. Oh, hello, we've got another little knock going over.
Catch you in a bit.
Let's just see what happens. like a linear come ghost. Look at that. That's really unusual.
Yeah.
About £4.
Yeah, look at the camera then, mate.
Well happy with that. That's
And again, and again.
That's something really decent for a change.
Yeah.
Not seen before. It's a dozy.
That's 2 rod. There we go. Off you go.
Wow. Now that was unusual. That was incredible. It's like a cross between a linear and a ghost carp. It's quite strange, but yeah, that's great. Yeah, Jim's into one. Oh yes, he's off. What's he got? Oh yes. That's off. Never mind. Lost that one. No, he ain't. Is he? Yes, yeah. Never mind. Jim is in again, ladies and gentlemen. This time I've changed the hook because the hook bent. That's it, keep her at them reeds, keep him away from them reeds, pull her away. Go on, wind, pull, wind. Keep her away from them reeds. That's it, you've got it, that's it. Come on, Jim. Oh, she's a booty. This is a nice one. Oh, right at the end.
Oh, what the hell is going on today?
That's how it is. That's the luck of the draw, mate. Jim's in. Oh, yes. And he's in. And that's a beauty. It's very, very similar
To the one you caught?
to the first one I caught. It's not the same, though. No, because that's more like a... And Jim Boy's off. Jim's into his next one. Oh yeah, nice little...
Here we go. A little tiny one.
Take the hook out, I blink the hook's already out.
Yeah, it's already out. There we go, a little tiny one.
There we go, hang on, let me put this down for a second.
Nice little baby.
said, oh, I feel like getting hold of this and just...
3 more than days, but they did say, the lady that come around to collect the money did say that a lot of people have been losing them. They've been coming off. They're very feisty here.
Oh,
And they?
it was a net away.
What's that? And we sat down there. So back out we go. That's where he was, mate. Just went over to the side and I got it.
Jim's on another one. As you can see.
Oh, no, it's come off.
Oh, and he lost it.
Come off.
No, you
That
were.
was the big one. Yeah, it's
Oh,
come off. That was the big one.
I see it as well. I got it on here.
Oh, no. Come off. I couldn't keep it up.
No, that's all right, mate.
Needed 2
Never
hands on
mind. It's the idiot.
Yeah.
There we go. Never mind.
Again.
That's right.
Another.
No, that didn't come off. You pulled too hard and snapped it.
No.
Never mind.
There we go.
Here we go again. Halfway through the session. And guess who's in the lead again? Bingo Jimbo Baggins
Just-
here. It's 3-2. And mind you, he's had 3 that he's missed. I had one
Just
on.
had one just now, haven't you, when you
I
missed?
missed that. But the boy's winning again. It's the apprentice against the master, and the apprentice is winning again. Good luck, Jim. But don't take your chickens to the
No.
roast.
They're biting loads, actually.
Yeah, doing well at the moment.
It's beautiful weather out here, mate.
Absolute.
I wish I bought, I don't know, I'm getting red knees.
We should have bought the bikini.
Yeah.
No, mankini, isn't it?
Monkey, yeah. Well,
But
yeah.
it's really lovely over
Oh,
here.
mate.
You've got a little bit of shade for some of the little tree, and
Yeah.
it's
See there.
so much better over this one. I like this, and the fish are biting. Might be not quite so big, but they're a different sort of variety of carp as well. They're not just your ordinary, everyday, common crucian or mirror, and that. These are slightly different. Like I said, a lot of them have got the tendency to look a bit like ghosts. You know, but they're quite strange. It's obviously where they're sort of interbred, but it's nice to actually catch a different breed altogether of carp. But in a little while I might try and do some maggots and see if I can't get a few perch or something like that as well.
Go back, do a bit of floating probably. As
Yeah,
well.
it's
We've got another couple of hours, so
let's hope we can catch some more.
yeah. Catch you in a bit. Well, bit of floating we've done, and rod is on. Don't worry about that. I'm recording. Doesn't matter. Just get that fishing. Got it? Want me to do it?
In the boat, Jim.
Bring it over. I can't see that back. See what in there. Ah, I see now.
Put that in the water.
That's it. Bring it over. We got it.
Yeah, got it. Drop your phone.
No. Hold that.
Alright, there you go.
little doozy. And back.
I do believe that levels us up.
It does.
What's that, 4 each?
3 each.
3 each, is it?
Yeah, look at that. That's nice. There you go. I've caught another one. Not very big, little tiny one. But Rod, don't think the GoPro was going, so we didn't catch me bringing it in. All right.
Yeah, the battery's run out on the GoPro.
Well, battery's gone. There we go. You're old.
Oh, a little old chimpy, he's old chompy, look. Whoa.
Oh, there we go. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But oh well. Last one.
Beautiful markings.
Yep.
Wow.
That's it then. Yep.
Wow. We drew with each other come the end.
Yeah.
Was that 4 all or 5 all?
4.
4 all.
Unfortunately, I didn't get the last one you catching because I was packing away and I thought I'd press record.
Never mind, it don't matter.
It's been one of them days, mate.
Oh, it's in mayhem. Whereas,
Catching's been good, but it's just
I've had 3 snap me off.
yeah.
You know, and so has he. They've been actually just snapped. So there's somebody in here quite big. It'll be interesting to see what.
Yep.
But
Well,
that's it for today, people. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, because I have been noticing there's a lot of people watching the channel and not subscribing.
yeah.
If you please could, if you think you like it in the remotest, please subscribe. Because like I say, I want to build this up now, because mainly for you lot, so you've got something to see in the winter time, really. It's because you know, winter comes and not many people go fishing then, and I shall probably doing some tutorial sort of stuff in the winter this year, showing you how to make things, do things. But like I say, please subscribe. There's going to be some good ones. Like I say, I'm going to have some good days, going to have some bad days. There's already quite a few on there, well worth looking.
Yeah.
And if you've got any comments, please leave them below. And if you do subscribe, please hit that notification button. Because like I say, it's always a different day when we come on, because my boy here, he has to work, and so I can only come the days he comes, so I can't do it on my own. So yeah, like I say, please subscribe.
It's been a good one.
Yeah, it's been a good day actually. It's
Yeah.
beautiful. I mean, look at the tan. Look, oh my God, is that to what we were when we came?
Yeah,
I
look.
mean, look at this look. Yeah, you take care. We will catch you next time. See you on the
See ya.
next one.
Bye.
Bye.